Tired of marketing campaigns that feel like shouting into the void? Let's unlock the power of targeted marketing with Wati in just a minute and a half. First, click on the Campaigns tab on your Wati dashboard. It's usually located on the left-hand side. Now, hit the Create Campaign button. Give your campaign a clear and descriptive name, something that will help you easily identify it later. Next comes the crucial part: segmentation. Wati allows you to segment your audience based on a variety of factors. Think about who you're trying to reach. Are they existing customers, potential leads, or a specific demographic? Select the filters that best define your target audience. You could use things like customer attributes, past purchase behavior, or even their engagement level with previous campaigns. Now it's time to craft your message. Write compelling copy that speaks directly to your segmented audience. Wati allows you to personalize your messages using variables like customer name or purchase history, making them feel much more personal. You can also add images or videos to make your campaign more engaging. Finally, schedule your campaign. Choose the date and time you want your messages to be sent, but it doesn't end there. Wati allows you to automate follow-up messages based on user actions, like opening a message or clicking on a link. Set up a series of automated responses to nurture leads and drive conversions. Once your campaign is live, track its performance. Wati provides detailed analytics to help you understand what's working and what's not. Monitor your open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to optimize your campaigns for even better results. With Wati, you're not just sending messages, you're building relationships and driving real business outcomes.